Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. OGC token listed today. Everything you need to know. The wait is finally over. The much-anticipated OG community, OGC, token has officially been listed on the Bitget Exchange, marking a major milestone for its growing community. If you're into gaming, Web3, or GameFi, this is an exciting opportunity to dive into a fast-evolving ecosystem. Here's all you need to know about today's listing, trading details, and the exciting airdrop event. OGC listing date and trading details. Listing date: today, December 30th, 2024. Trading start time: 12 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Exchange: Bitget, Innovation, Web3 and GameFi Zone. Trading pair: OGC/USDT. Deposits for OGC are already live, and withdrawals will begin tomorrow, December 31st, 2024. At 1300 hours Universal Time Coordinated. OGC Token Price Insights. The launch of OGC has created a buzz in the crypto world, with some jaw-dropping price movements. Pre-market highlights. The token saw a stunning 7,400% gain, starting at 0.0750 USDT and reaching a peak bid of 13.0000 USDT. Current price. OGC is trading at $0.0561, with a slight intraday drop of 5%. 24-hour volume. The token's pre-market trading volume hit $6,475.08, showing strong interest from traders. OGC has a total supply of 1 billion tokens, fueling its vibrant ecosystem. It's also being listed on other major exchanges like MEXC, further expanding its reach. OGC Airdrop and Mining Event. As part of the launch celebration, Bitget is hosting an OGC Airdrop event through its PoolX program. This is a great chance to earn free tokens while supporting the platform. Airdrop allocation: 11,250,000 OGC tokens split evenly between BTC and ETH pools. Locking period: December 28, 2024, 11 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. January 2nd, 2025, 11 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Participation details. BTC pool. Minimum lock: 0.0001 BTC. Maximum lock: 2 BTC. ETH pool. Minimum lock: 0.002 ETH. Maximum lock: 15 ETH. Tokens are distributed based on the total amount locked, ensuring a fair allocation for all participants. What is OG Community OGC? OG Community OGC is a cutting-edge Web3 platform designed for gamers and community-driven development. It allows users to shape gaming projects by providing feedback and opens doors for earning rewards through active participation. With its focus on innovation, the platform has drawn significant attention from gaming enthusiasts and crypto investors alike. What does TG mean in crypto? TG stands for Token Generation Event, which marks the official introduction of a cryptocurrency to the market. For OGC, this is a defining moment, as the token transitions from pre-market trading to full-fledged availability on major exchanges. The TG allows users to claim their tokens and start engaging with the OG community ecosystem. Why OGC matters? OGC combines the power of blockchain, gaming, and community-driven growth into a single ecosystem. Its listing on Bitget and other exchanges signals a bright future for the token and its users. Here are a few reasons to watch OGC closely. Game-changing platform. A unique focus on empowering gamers and shaping the future of gaming projects. Strong market start. Early price performance shows high demand and potential for growth. Engaging opportunities. From trading to airdrops and mining events, there's something for everyone. How to get started. Deposit OGC. If you've already acquired OGC during pre-market trading, you can deposit it into your Bitget wallet. Start trading. Engage in trading as the OGC/USDT pair goes live. Join the airdrop, lock BTC or ETH in the PoolX program to earn free OGC tokens. Final thoughts. The OGC token launch is more than just a listing, it's the start of a new chapter in Web3 gaming and community-driven innovation. Whether you're a gamer, a crypto enthusiast, or both, now is the perfect time to explore what OG community has to offer.